The product reviewed in this video has also been linked in the video description. Hello guys and welcome to this little video. Today I wanna put this mini wireless keyboard to the test. As you can see, it only costs around 8 euros and it has free shipping. Actually, I bought this product to control my Raspberry Pi wirelessly. The keyboard isn't really expensive, 8 euros, I think everybody's got that. And with that said, welcome on my desktop. Here's the keyboard. It uses two AAA batteries. I'll insert them right now and it's done. And then we've got this USB thing. I think such wireless keyboards work with radio frequency. Then we'll need the cover, which I got here. Here we've got pretty much space, which I think is for a battery pack. And up here it's got a micro USB port as well for charging a battery or something like that. And here we have got a power switch. I need to do that with one hand because with the other I'm holding the camera. So now we'll just plug this into our PC and it's installing the drivers. And I'll switch the power on and an LED lights up instantly. So now let's take a look. Okay, it's pretty unfamiliar to only do this with one hand. I'll open a text editor right now. Unfortunately, it's a QWERTY layout. And I live in Europe and not the US, so yeah. But for me that's no problem because I work with Raspberry Pis as well and yeah. If you don't change it, they use QWERTY as well. So here we've got the Windows key and then WordPad. Well, that's fine by me. Okay, so now let's test this and I need to lay the camera down for a moment to type some text. I'll just type hello. Here is no, not Z. Okay, here is Oliver from YouTube! Exclamation mark. By the way, if you wanna know why I'm writing this in German, I translated this video from my German channel into English so you can watch it as well. Okay, I'm typing a little bit slower than I would type with my normal keyboard, as you can see here. As you can see, it's a little bit different in comparison to that. It's a little bit harder to type with the mini keyboard and the keys are smaller as well. Well, small keys, the keys are hard to press. You need to set a little bit more pressure on the keys. I mean, the mouse works relatively good. The keyboard is from China. What do you wanna expect from cheap China? I don't think it's that bad. It's wireless. Back here it's saying made in China. Wait a second, let me change the volume. I can do that completely flawlessly. What's that? What do I need the FN key for? I mean, on my keyboard it has that key as well. I can change the volume with that, but on that keyboard I don't know. This key opens the email program and this one the Windows player. This E key does exactly nothing. This key opens the homepage of your web browser, for me Chrome. I didn't test scrolling yet. Let's try that. So here it is. I will put a link in the video description for that thing as well. So scrolling, page down maybe. You can scroll with that, but you can do that on my keyboard as well. I mean, you could scroll with the arrow keys, but you can do that on that keyboard too. I don't think this keyboard has separate scrolling. But yeah, my conclusion, it is, well, as you can see, it's when I move the mouse around, it's pretty inaccurate. A notebook mouse would be better, but my conclusion, it's not bad, it's not perfect. You could change many things. The LED doesn't need to be that bright, or it could be removed. If you press a button, a LED lights up as well. That doesn't need to be, but yeah, you take it how you take it. I don't think it's that bad. The purchase, I don't think 8 euros are too much for that thing. And yeah, thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.